Okay, so dito na tayo. So we've already set our lubricating oils. So lube oil tanks, we have our cam, we have our daily cylinder oil tank, we have the sump tank ready, we have our pump running for our cam pump, okay, coolers set to auto, okay. So again, we'll be looking our overview. Check. Okay, everything is okay, everything's fine. We're going to look at our freshwater system. Okay, we have our bunker tanks here. Okay, lube oil purifier. We have a purifier for our fuel. We have our settling tanks. Stir tube here. Bilge well, we can put it in automatic. No problem. Okay, so we're going to look at first our freshwater cooling system. So we have our temperature, which is low. Okay, so no problem for that. Again, fresh water. Okay, we're going to fill our hydroport tank. But before that, para mas mapabilis yung process, okay, we're going to our bunker tanks. Okay, we're going to have our fuel in our port and starboard tank. Okay, so we're going to fill it up from here, connect the plunge, then open the filling line. So we need to close this line this because this goes to our settling tank. So I close this one because this was left open before. Also this one, and this is running. So we're going to set our temperature for our bunker tank first at 40 degrees. Okay, so as we can see, the G here, this is the flow. So we have our flow coming from our steam generator. Okay. So while filling up the tank, just don't forget that you're filling it. We're going again to the process. We're going to our settling tank and check. Okay, so the temperature. So the set point is 65. We'll just be waiting. Again, we'll look at the other system. For our stern tube here. So the only alarm that we have is our low level. So we're going to fill that up. Okay. So we're going to fill the first gravity tank from our low boil sump tank by starting this pump. This is the low, this is the high gravity tank. While doing that, we can fill up our low boil sump tank with our stern tube makeup pump. Again, don't forget that you're having a bunkering. You're transferring fuel from the bunker going to your storage tanks. I think this is enough. Switch to other tank, the high gravity tank. It's okay. That is low level alarm. That's because we're transferring uh, lube oil going to our gravity tank. So just acknowledge it by pressing the F12. And I think that's enough. Let's put it back to low. Ah, this is enough. Next one. Okay. We're going to reset our freshwater cooling system and check what happens here. Okay. So it's 34, but here it's 24. We're going to our pump controller, camshaft, auto, freshwater pump, set it to auto. We'll switch this off and we're going to put it back to automatic. Freshwater cooler. Okay, so we're going to switch our steam condenser. Just acknowledge. Next alarm, tank level for low gravity tank. We're going to check that one. So our low gravity tank, we're going to fill that one up. Okay, so we're going to fill our freshwater system. It's because we're going to start our purifier. Okay, to purify our fuel for service, since we're going to switch over from diesel oil going to our fuel oil. So our settling tank is here, service tank is here, temperature is ready and up. So we're going to service, going to the boiler, and going to our fuel oil system. Okay, so this is our service tank. First, we're going to switch it to our boiler. We're going to change over from diesel oil going to fuel oil. So we're going to do it. We're going to start our circulation pump, and we're going to start our heating. I'm going to look at here and wait until it reaches about 95 to 98 degrees. While we're waiting for the temperature, we will go to our fuel system for our diesel generator. Okay, so this is our fuel system. We'll make this ready. Okay, first we're going to start a pump. And we're going to set it in remote. Okay, so this is flowing. From here, it will go here, open one of the fuel heaters, going to our backflash filter, going to our diesel generator, and going to our return to our service tank. Okay, so we're going to start one circulation pump. Low viscosity. Okay, so low gravity tank level again. Never mind. We're going to switch on our heating to control our viscosity. We're going to hit our lines. We'll switch our viscosity controller on and our visco motor on. Okay, you can see here. And we are ready to switch this. Let's put this one to heavy fuel. Switch. Home, pump controller.